You are lying. How can you say start using AI in 2013? You are just disgracing yourself, coming online to put out your stupidity.
I also watched the video.
No, you
said,
Samuel has
using AI. 2013.
Okay.
So, can you please explain how?
What was your age in 2013? What I mean is that 2013 till now, How many years is 2013 till now? Is how many years? That's 13 years. Minus 13 years from your age. How old were you when I started using AI?
I was 8.
You were 8 years of age. So imagine.
Yeah.
At 8, you don't even know anything about computers and IT. Ask ChatGPT, when did AI start? When did AI start?
I don't have ChatGPT, but I can ask other.
Yes, do you have any other? Yes, okay, do Google it. Yes. When did AI start? Okay, Auntie, we're listening. Welcome back.
1956.
Okay, so I started using AI in 2013. AI has been in existence since 1956.
Yeah.
Some people do not just have knowledge, and there's nothing wrong if you don't have knowledge. Where there's an issue is when you hear somebody that says something that you don't know, that you're hearing for the first time. Before you argue, you have the internet. This is 21st century. Go and find out. This thing that this person said, is it correct? Does this thing exist? Do your own study. Then if you want to come and probably talk with the person, then you have at least a basics. In fact, now at this point, you have to ask questions, not even to be saying you want to fight the person. You are lying. How can you say start using AI in 2013? You are just disgracing yourself, coming online to put out your stupidity. Some of us were not mates. You are fighting. I've disgraced many people with this simple question. I'll tell them, oh, say, how can you say start using AI in 2013? Sometimes I'll ask them, what is AI? They don't even know the full details of what an AI is. Okay, let's leave that one. Use your own internet with your own phone and check when AI started. Go and fight when AI started. Before you come and fight me that started using it in 2013. 2013 is even late. Most of the technology we use in Africa, in developed world, they've been using them 10 years before they roll them out to African countries. Sometimes, simple TikTok we're using now is not the same TikTok we're using in Nigeria, they're using in China. Now, US want to have their own TikTok now, if they've not even started using their own TikTok. And you think we're doing the same thing? There are people that are making money from TikTok in the US by just having TikTok. They didn't do any special thing. But see, now we have to have TikTok. One error we are not making. For us to make money, we have to go and start using UK TikToks. Are you not seeing the limitations? Then you don't know anything. You come here, they are teaching you something to accept. You are there arguing because the person is not wearing Gucci. I'm not wearing Gucci. I'm not wearing plenty shit this night. I'm not wearing maybe one expensive clothes according to them. I'm not. I didn't do my teeth. I didn't do braces. My teeth are not sharp. Then I pour water on your head. Anyway, we're good.